Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. It is Friday, the 24th of April. I hope that I find you all well today. And what a week it has been. The first week of our summer term with virtual learning taking place. It has been great to see all the fantastic work which has been going on at home. Don't forget, if there is any equipment that you need to borrow from the Academy, get in touch with us today. Miss Collier is on the phones today and is looking forward to speaking with you, and pop in and we can lend you any equipment that you need from us. Now, yesterday's assembly, ladies and gents, was the most viewed live assembly so far since we started virtual learning, with more than 1,000 views from yesterday's assembly. I think it was Miss Draper's involvement in yesterday's assembly. So thank you to all of you for taking part and getting involved watching that. Now, Miss Draper also shared with me yesterday a fantastic video showcasing loads and loads of students reading the Romeo and Juliet prologue. And there are a number of students that I want to mention particularly this morning. Jack, Sophie, Thomas, Alia, Summer, Joseph, Emre, Tanya, Amy, Julia, Frankie, Simon, and Scarlett. What a fantastic job. I was so impressed watching you reading the Romeo and Juliet prologue. So very well done to you. Final update from me this morning before I hand over to Miss Delver. For those of you that are currently in year 9, I know that over the last couple of months, we've been working really hard with you to make arrangements for the subjects that you've chosen to study in year 10 from September. Over the next week, we'll be providing you with an update on the subjects that you've been allocated, and look out for that email that you'll be getting from us over the next couple of days. Miss Delver.
Thank you, Mr. Napier. Good morning, everybody. I really want to congratulate all of you for being so engaged online with all the work that has been set for you on Google Classroom. So it was fantastic to see how well you're engaging with the work. Particularly, you know, attendance is close to my heart. So I was looking this morning at the students who have been logging in every single day since the 24th of March. I want to give you a special shout out. Congratulations to you. And it is Christina Ford in year 10, Abdul Sar in year 10, Neve Hutchinson in year 7, well done to you, Neve. And Dayan Petkov, well done in year 9, well done to you for logging on every single day to all of your sessions since we're starting the online learning. Well done to you. See you later. Have a great day. Over to you, to Miss Shallow.
Good morning, all. Ramadan Kareem for those of you that are starting your fast today. Have a very blessed 30 days of fasting. Right, so today I'm going to be talking about a fun fact. It might not be a fun fact to you, but I did find it very interesting having to read a bit more about this very special, popular drink. So there's one thing we can all rely on wherever it is that we go in the world. What do you reckon that one thing is? I'll take a pause and just get you to think about it. It's the Coca-Cola. So once upon a time, all we had was the Coca-Cola original. And then we went from that to the Diet Coca-Cola. I'm not sure if you can see that. Now we have Coca-Cola Zero and Coca-Cola Vanilla. Now, whether we like it or not, we know that we can always rely on the fact that wherever it is that you go in the world, maybe not wherever you go, you would always be very welcome with a glass of Coca-Cola, because it's a very, very famous drink. And we all know some people are actually addicted to Coca-Cola because they love it so much that wherever they go, they look forward to actually having a drink of it. However, that's not always the case. There are 2 countries in the world that you can never, ever, ever be able to get Coca-Cola from. Any ideas where those 2 countries might be, guys? Right, it's North Korea and Cuba. That's my fun fact. I did say it might not be fun to some people, but it was really interesting to me. Have a lovely day, guys, and I'll pass you over to Miss Collier.
Thank you, Michelle. That was a great fact. So I have the extreme pleasure of being able to wish you a happy birthday today. I'm afraid I don't have a hat, but I have put some lovely bunting up behind me just to help you celebrate. So today's birthdays, we have Teddy in year 7, who is 12 today. We have Spencer in year 11, my personal favourite, who is 16 today. And we have Amjit in year 10, who is 15 today. Tomorrow we have 3 birthdays, and we don't want to miss them out. So we have Sophie in year 7, who is 12. We have Finley in year 9, who will be 14 tomorrow. We have Frankie English in year 10, who will be 15. And we have Jake in year 13, who will be 19. So have a great birthday. The sun is shining for you. It's meant to be out all weekend. Enjoy yourselves, but stay safe. And I'm going to pass back to Mr. Napier for the final goodbyes.
Thank you, Miss Collier. So that brings us towards the end of our assembly this morning. Really impressed that Miss Collier was managed to deliver assembly and answer the phone at the same time. But let's remember, ladies and gents, while we are self-isolating, we should be staying at home, and we should only be leaving in for essential reasons. Don't forget that when we return home, we ought to be washing our hands, and we need to make sure that we're washing our hands for at least 20 seconds. Let's take the opportunity to make sure that we're keeping fit and keeping healthy. And many of you will be taking part in today's PE WOW lesson. If you've started fasting today, please remember that take it easy with the WOW sessions today and over the coming few days. And the final reminder from me, if we are out and about for essential reasons, let's remember to make sure that we're keeping and remembering that 2-meter rule. Everyone, have a fantastic weekend, and we can't wait to see you again on Monday morning. Have a good weekend.